It does not interest me what you do for a living. I want to know what you ache for, and if you dare to dream of meeting your heart's longing. It doesn't interest me how old you are. I want to know if you will risk it all for love, for your dream, for the adventure of being alive. I want to know if you can be with joy, mine or your own, without cautioning us to be careful, be realistic, or remember the limitations of being human. I want to know if you can sit with pain, mine or your own, without moving to hide it, fade it, or fix it. I want to know if you can see the beauty, even when it is not pretty every day. It doesn't interest me to know where you live or how much money you have. I want to know if you can get up night after night, weary and bruised to the bone, and do what needs to be done for the children. It doesn't interest me where or what or with whom you have studied. I want to know what sustains you from the inside when all else falls away. It doesn't interest me who you know or how you came to be here. I want to know if you will still stand in the center of the fire with me and not shrink back.
Today, we are brought here in this ultra hip art studio because of family, because of friendship, and because of love.
All right, everyone, so this is the moment we've all been waiting for, especially these two.